Hello everyone, in front of me is ZTE Blade A71 and let me show you how to change wallpaper here. At first you have to open the list of all apps and go to Settings. Now find and select Home Screen and Lock Screen and click on Wallpapers. Here just pick the picture that you want to apply. You can choose one from default wallpapers or select something from your gallery. Let me pick for example this one. Now you can customize it however you like. And then click on Set As. You can place it as your home screen, as your lock screen, or as both, and I will pick this third option, which is Save as both, and as you can see, it has been applied. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.